Here's some unity of command trivia. Subscribe. In which military operation is the concept primarily applied? Is it A, Desert Shield, B, Gulf War II, C, Joint Operations, or D, Operation Barbarossa? The correct answer is C, Joint Operations. What term describes the authority of a leader? Is it A, command authority, B, special order, C, leadership style, or D, tactical directive? The correct answer is A, command authority. Which U.S. military branch emphasizes unified efforts? Is it A, U.S. Army, B, U.S. Navy, C, U.S. Coast Guard, or D, U.S. Air Force? The correct answer is A, U.S. Army. What principle helps with minimizing confusion in battles? Is it A, decentralized strategy, B, extended time frame, C, centralized control, or D, randomized tactics? The correct answer is C, centralized control. What type of unity aids communication between forces? Is it A, civilian coordination, B, inter-service unity, C, inter-service clarity, or D, geographic alignment? The correct answer is B, inter-service unity. Which operational concept addresses interagency coordination? Is it A, comprehensive approach, B, joint task force, C, unified combat strategy, or D, national defense doctrine? The correct answer is A, comprehensive approach. What phrase encapsulates the aim of unified military planning? Is it A, joint operations strategy, B, central command authority, C, tactical resource allocation? Joint operations strategy is incorrect because it refers to a broader strategic framework rather than a singular command structure. Central command authority is incorrect as it implies a collective leadership rather than a unified one. Tactical resource allocation is incorrect because it pertains to the distribution of assets rather than overarching command, or D, single point of command. The correct answer is D, single point of command. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.